Hi guys, so a couple things came in yesterday that really surprised me because I was like not expecting any more packages, and then I was like, oh, that's right, I picked up some stuff on HSN while they were having the free shipping, and just like not even that long ago, a few days ago, but I guess maybe they got things out quickly in case people were needing them for gifts. I don't know, but they're here, so that's great, and I'll link them in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. And one of the items seems so easy to work with, I'll probably work with it in this video. So if you haven't seen the little Ferrero Rocher video on making your own little cup, you guys, and putting like something cute like this, I mean, this could even hold like coffee packets, like the ones that are like sticks, like the Starbucks Via, is it? And maybe a little sugar stick. I don't know, like it can just, I love it. I don't know how it works. I think the sizing came out perfect because it looks really, really cute, you know? Not too long and not too short. I was thinking if you wanted to shorten it though and make it look like a demi-tasse or like a smaller thing, you can then put that guy in there. He can just stick out from just sitting in there, you know? But I made mine a little bit taller. I don't know. That video was really fun. So hopefully you've seen it. Yeah, so when I opened it, I'm like, what is this? Because one of them said do not bend, and it was just like an envelope. So it was this, Stamps of Life for You gift card holder die set. And then the other one I'm going to show you is also a gift card holder. So I don't know what mood I was in, but I was like, yeah, I'll order these. They're not super Christmassy, but I guess you could make it more Christmas. But this is just a really sweet gift card. I love the Stamps of Life things when she does stuff like this. I think it's really cute. Much easier, you know, you can obviously cut something like this ourselves, but then, you know, when it comes to this part, oh, maybe use like a We Are Memory Keepers punch kind of board. You might be able to get a shape like this. But anyway, and then you have to make the notch. So for me, I just thought this was super cute. It comes with little flowers. They're very more like juvenile. Again, that's why I used to sign up for the Stamps of Life club kit, and then I was just like, I'm good, because it was a lot of juvenile kind of designs. It's just, you know, the style, right? So for you, and then to gift for you, some words that you can pop on there, inlay in there. It looks like it has a card, or it could be a card like on the inside. It's mostly a matte layer, I suppose. And then this one also has like a matte layer, so really cute. I'll give you a measurement on that because I'm sure people want to know how big it is. All right, eat these Ferrero Rocher is what we need to do. Let's put that back over here. Okay. From metal to metal, because that's what you need to know, it's 9 3/4. And metal to metal, 6 1/4. So 9 3/4 by 6 1/4 in the largest areas. I have not opened these. And I think, we'll see. I was going to say, I think one might be an Autoship. That doesn't seem right. Let's see. Oh, maybe it is. I know it's a diamond press set. Yes, that's right. The diamond press pop-up hot air balloon, you guys. Oh my gosh. Again, I collect these. You know, I ordered my own set, even though they send it for review because I want the auto ships. And I have been remiss in tutorializing the last few auto ships. I'm sorry. But maybe we'll start with this one because this is very cute for spring coming up and everything. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to show you this part. What I love about their auto ship, and even if you pick it up later if they have extras and they bring them in, is that you don't need the base one for this auto ship program, so that's nice. And then whenever you do need a base one, it seems like they've been making cut files. So if you have like a Cricut or Brother or whatever kind of die cutting machine, you can download the cut file on mydiamondpress.com, like the base cut file for like the Iris one or like the Happy Mail. Like they have different ones. Cute. So there's the inspo sheet just to kind of obviously show you. That is going to be adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, so maybe we'll start off again with these guys. Okay. And the last one is, I believe it's from that Stamps by Me company, the one that did the Quattro D stamp and stencil and all that. That's weird. It was tucked under the flaps of the box. Okay, well anyway, let's open this up. And what I like about this is that this is, again, like I said, another gift card holder that comes with the papers, and you can also buy another paper pack if you want, but of course you can cut it from any paper. It's just that she happens to have some that coordinate perfectly. And she does say you can use it on either side, but that's not quite true because I'll show you. I mean, you can, but for some people who don't like the look of the backside of your die cut, then you're not going to like it. And maybe you can plan it out. I'm trying to think. if you can see what you're, I don't think it's gonna work. We'll see. Okay, so it does have a little bit of info, which was funny because I think the other day I was like, I think that's all that was in the package because I had looked at the info sheet. But it's just, you know, saying what's in there. The pop-up gift card, pretty in pink paper pack, and then they have either a couple of them or this one again that you can refill or buy again. Oh, I love the way it's like a little book bound down the side. So you have this pretty paper. As you can see, it already has like a divot in it, but hopefully we'll see. Okay. The pop-up gift card holder die collection includes this one large die. As I said, we can try this out right now just to see what's up. Awesome die. The little soft bits, because there's so much, you know, the length of it, but also the metal it's made out of makes it a little bit softer. Let's look at the length of this guy. 8 3/4 by metal to metal 4 5/8. Yeah, no, not 5/8. Sorry, 4 like 7/16. Hopefully that helps. It's just shy of 4.5 inches. So we have that. It cuts this little centerpiece, then you just fold it and you pop in your card, right? Little glue. Now this one trips me out because you see how it's showing it going side to side? When you go to HSN, you know, I'll have a link there if you want to use that to pop over. The video, usually on my computer, the video starts up if they have a presentation, and she was showing it held together in this way. But I'm like, well, that's weird because the strap's not long enough to go this way unless it's like a fake strap, right? You just put it on there. But when she was showing it, she had used this one. But I do like this die set just in general, just to have it because I think it's cute. It'll make some nice belly bands. But it does cut the edge off. So it is just a little strip. I guess you can kind of fake tuck it around or make yourself another piece, which is kind of But the way she was showing it was this way, and this one's too long for it to sit that way nicely. So she had this one, and she tucked it around. So we'll show you in a minute. So it has this base piece that cuts the whole thing. You have this really pretty matte layer. I don't know what I was going to say. This guy with the little cupcake. Thought the cupcake was cute. And then this one with the word best wishes. It's a nice best wishes, so we can definitely use that for other things too. And then this guy. So let's just cut it really quick. We'll pick one. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's use that one. See how easy it comes out without like hurting other things. I'm trying to like break the binding. Yeah, that worked really well. So like I said, she was saying you can use either side. So let's say we're looking at this, but see, maybe she put extra enough for it to cut. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't trust that that actually cuts it, but maybe it does. I would like this for the outside, but at the same time, you kind of want the words outside, don't you? So it's easy to see to and from. See how it fits perfectly there? So you can definitely run this through and then just make this the pretty side, but then the rough cut's going to be there. But I think it looks like, if you really look at it, that maybe you can do it and not, you know, just make sure you're hitting that top corner so that the zhuzh is still there. And then this should end up in the right spot anyway. I don't know. I'm going to do it this way. So hope you guys understand what I'm saying. A lot of times people don't like doing it this way and then using the other side for the front because the rough cut, it will be there. I'm going to run this through. I do not know that it can run through, yeah, the marquee, because the marquee I think is like 4 1/4, just over 4 1/4 roughly. So I'll use my Platinum 6 real quick. And that will be that. Oh, actually, I probably need the, wait, do I need the extended cutting plates? Yeah, I'll need the extended cutting plates by like a fraction, so I'm just going to use this one because that's what I brought out, and I'll show you what happens when you have plates that are too short. You can just run something through, try to get the most on there. I'm going to leave a little bit off just because why not? I'm going to have to run through. It was just so little to run through second. I'm just going to give myself a little bit more. So let's go like this, just in case you don't have extended cutting plates. And that goes with any machine that you might require extended cutting plates, like the Anna Griffin Empress type machines. And then from here, you can see on the back, we're just missing this little bottom section. So I overlap it a little bit, but not too much, because sometimes when you overlap, you might end up cutting something you don't want to again. Or it shifted a little bit or something like that, you know. So just make your sandwich again and run the rest of it through. That one's a little bit tight, and you know why? Because speed bump right there. But yeah, so there it is. Cut out nicely. Just completing your sandwich. Just run through again as much as you can and then fit back through the rest of it with a little bit of overlap. Okay, let me put this machine away. I'll be right back. And basically I want this on the outside. So again, if you don't mind, and it's not the ugliest edge, if you want this on the outside, just fold it over. Too firm is on the inside. To me, this needs to be on the outside because then how do you know who it's to and from, but you know, whatever. Okay, so I'm folding it there. This is gonna fold over the edge, obviously. This is gonna go up, and then this one folds over like this. And I don't even know if they discussed that on there. If it's very crisp, it almost feels like it wants to crack, like break, but it looks okay. And then we're just gonna glue it in the back, of course. That's what I was wondering. It just says, check out our coordinating products. Okay, instruction for use. Position the die using low-tech tape, hold if preferred. Place media between your machine, Operate until the plates are fully passed through the machine. Take away the plates and carefully remove the chosen material from the die. Okay, well that's not, okay. Doesn't tell you how to actually put it together, but I guess you're supposed to click on, or get a little picture of this right here, right? I'm assuming. Okay, so I just put glue on the very bottom, along the bottom edge, and on the side. So side, bottom, side. I'm just gonna hold that for a second. Really, that's just holding this part. And as I do have my example gift card, I don't think I do, but obviously it holds a gift card in here. It's not the biggest deal. You can see it's a nice size, and it holds it in a landscape way. Cute. You can pop this on top of a card because obviously it's small. Let's see, it's I would say 2 3/4 ish by 4, just over 4 1/4, right? So you can put that on something and then the person can then open it. But this is what I was trying to show y'all, that, and I dream about these things. I woke up and I was like, that's not gonna work. Anyway, she had it like this, so she had that die cut already, and then she wrapped it around. Okay, but that doesn't quite work with this one unless you present it this way, right? Present sideways. And then this one, it's too long, you know what I'm saying? Unless you have the words sticking out on their own, which is kind of weird. So it does have to go this way, but the belly band cuts off on the edge, so you have to fashion your own thing, or I don't know what, maybe stick it down with some kind of Velcro, which is kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know why that's that way. But let me run this one through right quick, just like she had shown, just in a coordinating paper. There are no papers in there that coordinate with this, like that you can use this on. So I'm just going to pick something from my stash, and I'll be exactly where this was, because I was going to use this the other day on something else. I have this Parisian paper from Crafter's Companion that has the very same kind of feel, although this is like a Moroccan, but I'm talking about the colors. So I'll use it up here, even though I would like to get more of those colors in there. Like that pink that it cuts off, it's kind of a bummer. Would have loved to have that in the project, but okay. So let's run this through. It's small enough to go in the regular cutting folder. And we'll see about how it wraps around. By the way, as I'm kind of debating this guy, if you purchased anything on HSN, I'm pretty sure since October, you still can return it till the end of January. They have their extended returns for holiday, but I never really saw them announcing that, so I'm like, So I have to double check, but generally, now at the bottom, or it does say extended returns, but I don't know if it's from mid-September, October like it used to be. So we have this piece. I guess I'll go ahead and cut something from this one just to be pretty. I'll be right back, guys. You know, it's like 5 something in the morning, so I don't know when you actually see this video, but it's basically time for us to go to my mom's house, so I'm stockpiling videos. So this is a piece of paper that I had used like to review probably a Diamond Press embossing folder. So I just grabbed that paper and cut it from it, and now we have this little look to it here. So let's just glue that down real quick. And I'll put glue on the back of my hand for these other delicate areas. And we'll go like that. And it's just a quick mock-up, guys. Of course, I'll have this to keep, so I can use it when I actually need it. And so again, to and from, here's a little thing, and then this guy goes like this. Now, if it was to go like this, again, it doesn't quite make it. So maybe you're supposed to just tape it and then let them rip it. I don't know. Seems odd. So we're gonna go this way and see if it even matches up like she had shown. I don't think she showed it matched up. She just had it in her hand. So I'm like, well, we'll see. So hopefully it meets up. Oh, yay, it does meet up just barely. So again, with the other ones, you're gonna have to work something out, or like have, like I said, the cupcake sideways. The best wish is definitely is to run this way, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that, but maybe it wasn't really intended for this. No, it was. I was like, no, the packaging does show it. Maybe it's a different, I don't know. Interesting, huh? All right, well, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. A quick little something that we put together for this guy. And I have this belly band. I don't really want to mess with it too much because obviously it's still a little wet, but that's cute. I do like it for that one. And then we can use those bits for other things. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a great holiday season. Like I said, I don't know exactly when I'll launch this. It might not make sense to say that, but maybe we're after. But you know, between Christmas and New Year's, there's still lots of merriment to be had. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll have the links in the description box, images coming up, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.